What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. So check it out. This was front page of the headlines today. We have S&P 500 and NASDAQ hit 2025 lows as the Trump tariffs take effect. Okay, so what's been happening, if you haven't been paying attention, is the markets have been getting a good spanking. All right, guys, but what they don't tell you is times like this are some of the best times to make incredible amounts of money from the markets. Now, I know some of you guys might hear that and think, how can you make money from the markets if markets are moving lower? The options market, guys. Listen, through the options market, you can make money when the market moves up, and you can make a hell of a lot of money when the market moves down. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and share with you guys what went down today. Okay, so listen, the team of the Patreon have been taking maximum advantage with me on these put options, guys. So with put options are going to increase in value as prices in the market move lower, right? So check it out. We have Noel. Shout out to Noel, one of the MVP guys over the Patreon. You can see he went ahead, sold his position today for a $300 profit, and he's up $1,000 in the last month, right? So shout out to Noel, salute to Noel. Listen, there's nothing more I love doing than celebrating the success of you guys, all right? I want to see you guys win. I'm here for you guys, and I love it, all right? So big shout out to Noel. But guys, there's tons more, all right? I'm only going to show you a small fraction because we've got a lot to crack on with in this video. But Huan, $250 in profit today on his put options, guys. So again, while the markets are going lower, it's an opportunity for you guys to capitalize on that movement and make a lot of money. Because it's not, as we continue to go through this year, we're going to continue to see the market under pressure, continue to see the market under heat, and all those allow you guys opportunities to make money from the market. So markets move lower, you guys can continue to be collecting, making the income, making the profit from the options market. All right, guys, show you one more. Big shout out to Arnold from over the Patreon. Went ahead and made $400 today. Okay, now listen, we are taking this energy, as I always say, right into the next position. Okay, it's when you have the know-how like I do, guys, it's very easy to take advantage of the market. It's very easy to spot these opportunities and capitalize on them. So the team is going to continue to win, and I want you guys watching to win with us. All right, I don't want you guys sitting on the sidelines just watching us make these profits. I want you guys getting involved. I want you guys winning as well. So if you haven't already, hit that link in the video description, hop into the Patreon. All right, probably going to jump into a position before this week is over, so it gives you guys opportunity to start making some money with us. All right, but guys, that being said, what we do is we take our profits that we make over in the options market and we deploy it in undervalued, overlooked opportunities that exist out there in the markets, guys, because right now is a phenomenal time to be taking advantage of these opportunities. All right, honestly, the market is filled with incredible assets at incredible prices, and that is what I want to speak to all of you guys about in today's video. Okay, guys, because I don't want you guys overlooking it. I don't want you guys missing out the opportunities that are being presented to us. It's very easy to get wrapped up in the headlines and the content out there. Look, I know there's a lot of scaremongering, but I want to give you guys not just information, but information that's going to put dollars in your pocket, that's going to make you guys money, that's going to make you guys wealthy. Okay, guys, so check it out with me. First one we need to discuss is Uber. Okay, Uber is one that, listen, we picked it up in the high 50s, took it to the 60s, took it to the 70s, took it to the 80s. It's now back down in the mid 70s. Key thing with Uber though, if you take a look at the 1 month chart, you see that the market is trying as hard as it possibly can to send this one lower, but it can't do it. It just can't do it. All right, the strength, the backing behind this name is too strong. So whereas the market has gone ahead and done a demolition job on names like Nvidia, names like AMD, the market just can't do the same to Uber, right? That is a good sign. That tells you that this thing is still hanging on to its momentum, still hanging on to its strength. And you guys know exactly where this is going, okay? This isn't staying at 75. This is making its way up to the triple digit territory, triple digit club, and it is going to $100, okay? So I'm continuing to accumulate, guys. If you guys want to follow suit, continue to accumulate in this name as well, all right? All these names are going to give you guys in today's video are dominating their respective fields. That's the crazy thing. You get an opportunity to get into the leading players in their game at incredible prices, and this is just one. This is one that has absolutely captured the entire autonomous ride-hail ecosystem, okay? They're leading player, and they're going to continue to be the leading player. They have so much going for them. The ecosystem these guys have built is one not to be overlooked, all right? Incredible name at an incredible price. It's going to triple digits. It's one for you guys to most definitely continue to accumulate. Don't be scared, all right? Don't be sidetracked. Stick with a plan, stick with a mission. I'm going to get you guys making a lot of money in this name. I've already got you guys making a lot of money, but I'm going to make you guys a hell of a lot more in this name, okay? That's the first one. Again, another dominant player at incredible prices, okay? We know that Nvidia is untouchable when it comes to the GPU space. Absolutely untouchable. They've got all the connections. They've got all the customers. They've got the biggest and best brand out there, and they are pulling in incredible numbers. What we're seeing right now is a disparity between business performance and stock price performance. And when we get this taking place, we capitalize, we take advantage in the biggest way possible. Okay, it's currently $116. We know that the market has placed a smackdown on this one, and I want you guys to understand it's very easy for them to continue and send this down to $100. Very, very, very easy. So don't be surprised. But guys, all it takes is a little bit of a recovery, a little bit of a relief on the Trump tariff situation, and you're going to see these names start skyrocketing, and you're going to be rewarded for having the cojones when everyone else was scared by accumulating and getting positions at this level, okay? Now, some of you guys will be thinking, Sankey, that sounds great, but I don't have $100. I don't have $500 spare to go ahead and buy some of these incredible names at incredible prices. Guys, this is what we do over in the options market, okay? As you saw, guys like Noel, guys like Arnold, guys like Huan, guys like Roofs, all the guys over there at the Patreon who are taking advantage of the options market with me. We are printing money from the options market, taking that money, deploying into these undervalued, overlooked opportunities. And that is how we compound our wealth. This is how we improve our financial situations massively, okay? Nvidia, not to be overlooked, guys. It's very easy right now because obviously from its high of, you know, damn near $150 to where it's at right now, it's a big decline, but don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. I've gone through multiple cycles in my time, guys. I've seen it all. I've seen tariffs before, tariff wars before, back in 2018. If you guys didn't know, this isn't new, by the way. This isn't a new thing we're seeing. This is something that has already happened in history, and we've already recovered from it multiple times over, all right? The same thing will happen now. All right, another dominant name at an incredible price is none other than Google. They dominate search. They dominate in the YouTube space with social media video, and they also do incredibly well in the cloud space as well. All right, so they are also knocking out of the park, but the market hates them right now. The high on this name was over $200. It's currently $173, guys, and went as low as about $168, $167. again, another name for you guys to be taken advantage of, okay? Again, they're going to continue to apply the pressure. They'll probably try and send this one back down to 170. Again, incredible name at an incredible price, guys. It won't be too long before we see this one back into that $200 territory, and all of you guys are rewarded massively, all right? For again, taking action, having the cojones to get into this when the rest of the market was scared. Don't be scared, guys. Don't be scared. And another one we got is Bitcoin, all right? Listen, this one's doing all sorts, but we know the biggest news came out that the crypto space still has the backing from Trump. The strategic reserve still will be going ahead, meaning that the US government will be accumulating Bitcoin. I don't think you guys understand the magnitude of that situation and what that means, because that has so much knock-on effects. It's not just the US accumulating Bitcoin, guys. It is the fact that nations are going to start accumulating Bitcoin themselves. They're going to follow suit with the US because the US leads and everyone follows, and that is going to be a massive, massive deal for Bitcoin. Okay, we've already started to see it take place. Abu Dhabi's already got their piece. You're going to start to see other Gulf nations take their piece. You're going to see nations in Europe following suit, and it's going to be a gold rush for Bitcoin. But before that happens, we want to be always one step ahead of the game. This is one I've been speaking to you guys about extensively since last March, okay, when it was down in the 50,000 range. It's now in the 80s and the 90s, and we're taking this all the way up to the 160s and even higher. But that's going to be a checkpoint. That's going to be a milestone in the journey for all of us, okay? Because that will be a double up from here. We already doubled it from 50. We're going to double it again. So again, while this is low, and remember there is an important meeting happening on Friday, which could act as a bit of a catalyst. To be honest, it probably won't, but when they do start buying, that will probably act as a catalyst, okay? Because what the market wants to see is, the market actually wants to see concrete action, not just words. That's what it looks like. But regardless, while the market is throwing this one out the window, we will happily be collecting and accumulating, because it'll be smiles all round when this one is 150, 160,000, and that is coming. All right, guys. So listen, these are 4 names that I want all of you guys to take a look at, put some capital in, accumulate, because they are all dominant in their space and they're all at an incredible price point. All right, guys. So that's the video for today. Drop me down your comments below, and I'll see all of you guys next time.